Hello, I am Tina, and now we are going to consider the third element of our nature, water. 3/4 of our planet's surface is covered by water. So can you imagine how amazing this unexplored yet world is? Something actually we already know, so let's talk about it. We distinguish salty water and fresh water. We can find salty water in ocean and sea, and fresh water, the one we can drink, we can find in lake or river. Of course, there are many water reservoirs on the earth, but we are not studying geography here, so let's learn several creatures and plants that live in water world of our planet. Some live in salty water, some live in fresh water. Some creatures swim, some crawl on the bottom. Some are herbivorous, some predators. We will learn only some names. The first, fish. They can be absolutely different. Nice or scary, big or small, live with you at home or in ocean. They can be dangerous or cute. Shark. Usually sharks are scary with big teeth. Actually, shark is a fish. Whale. They are really great and huge. It's not a fish, it's a mammal. Dolphin. They are very smart sea animals. Dolphins are also mammals. Octopus. They have 8 legs or tentacles. Starfish. It is actually not a fish. Starfish are actually echinoderms. They look like stars because they have 5 arms. Seahorse. It's a fish, just looking very unusual with like a horse head. Jellyfish. Or we can say medusa. They can be very big and dangerous if they bite you. In water, they are almost invisible. I'm afraid of jellyfish. Sea urchin. Urchins are also echinoderms. They look like small hedgehogs. Mollusk. They live in shells. It's a relative of the octopus. But mollusks are small. Octopus can be very big. And walrus. Walrus is a big mammal, lives usually in the north. And some plants. Lotus. Seaweed. And duckweed. Let's repeat. Ocean, sea, lake, river, fish, shark, whale, dolphin, octopus, starfish, seahorse, jellyfish, sea urchin, mollusk, walrus, lotus, seaweed, duckweed. Well, water world is very saturated and complicated. This is an incredible system that we can continue to discover. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.